This is why you need to start a YouTube channel to make money. And you can have fun, play games, video games, whatever you like doing. But I'm gonna show you from 2017 to 2019, and the differences you make every year. Even if your content sucks like mine, there's something on YouTube. It's called a snowball effect, where as long as you're consistently uploading at least once a week, once a month, you will get more and more and more views, subscribers, and money. But now, since 17 or last year, since 2018, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers now, and 120,000 minutes of watch time, something like that. But like, it's for 4,000 hours of watch time. So in 2017, I made $20 more in 2018 than I did in 2017. In February of 2018, I made $24 more than I did in 2017. 39 more in March, 50 more in April, 74 more in May, 53 more in June, 59 more in July, 53 more in June, 59 more in July, 30 more in August, 57 more in September, 56 more in October, 110 more in November, and 42 more than in December of 2017. So you see, check that out. I made $110 more than I did the previous year of 2017. And this is so far, even this year. Obviously August hasn't done yet, but I can already see I'm gonna at least pass it by 10. So I passed last January of 2018 by $81. See, it's the same. It's 40. So I passed it by 81 this year. I passed February by 57, 72 in March, 16 April, 27 May, 44 June, and 13 last month, July. So, see, every month you just I literally have like a lot of content of mine isn't good at all. I don't hardly edit anything, but I'm consistently uploading. Give me a shout out on your video if you decide to make a YouTube channel from this video, because literally my channel sucks and I'm still making more money every year. I should show you 2016, man. I'm making like $3, $4. This is double that even. So yeah, this year's not as many jumps, but it's still higher, especially these 3 first months. But yeah, like, subscribe, share, links in the description. So I just want to add one last thing. So in 2017 I made 546. 2018 I made 1,160. So I actually made double what I made in more than double. So if you minus what I made 2017, it's more than double. You're left over with 614 if you minus 2017. And also this year, 2019 alone, I'm already at 829, and that's already beating I'm already beating also 2017. So it's snowball effect. So even if you're doing a gaming channel, you guys, anything, you need to start a YouTube channel today and keep on uploading at least once a week or at least once a month, just something. So like, subscribe, and share. Links in the description.